Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to charge your iPhone 17 Pro Max. What are all the methods? So actually we have three methods, or maybe four. The first one is using the cable and the power brick that you have prepared for your iPhone. Plug the cable into your USB Type-C port, and now as I can see our phone is charging. This is the first way, using the cable. The second way is using the other iPhone. When you have USB Type-C to C cable, plug the first USB Type-C cable into your first iPhone, or any Android phone of course, and the second part of the cable, the USB Type-C, plug into your iPhone. Then your phone should charge. Now, nextly, we do have the wireless charging like this, because we can charge our phone using the just wireless charging without the magnets. We don't really need to have the QA2 or something like that, this certificates, MagSafe, etc. to charge our phone wirelessly. Let me plug my wireless charger to the power outlet, and now let me place our phone on the charger. I think that this charger is not compatible with our iPhone, or maybe let me replace it somehow. But our iPhone should charge like this. As you can see, it's charging. We just have to have a good placement. And this is the third way actually. And now the fourth way and the final is using the QA2 power accessory of the MagSafe. We can plug our cable into it. And this is actually, as you can see, the MagSafe QA2 accessory. This is a green robot actually. We can place our iPhone on that and it's charging, as you can see, with this fancy animation. And as you can see, this is the MagSafe actually, and yeah, this is the wireless connection too. And actually, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leave a like on this video. It's very important to us to have your feedback about our videos. And as I said, that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.